Okay, today we're going to do Module 6, Lesson 18, and our objective is to pair objects and skip count to relate to even numbers. First, let's take a look at the number 2. Is 2 an even number? Well, let's think about what we learned yesterday. If it has a doubles fact, it is an even number. Does 2 have a doubles fact? Yes, it does. If I have two things, 2 is actually 1 plus 1. So, 2 does have a doubles fact. The doubles fact is 1 plus 1. You can also think of it as having partners. All even numbers can be partnered up, which means that they can be put in groups. Let's take a look at another number. Let's look at the number 3. Is 3 an even number? Well, if we look at 3, here I have 3 faces, 1, 2, 3, we can see that it is not an even number. 3 is actually an odd number. You can think of it because someone is the odd man out, meaning that somebody doesn't have a partner. If we look at my picture, 2 people have a partner, but 1 person does not. Remember, partners are groups of 2. We can also think of it as, does it have a doubles fact? Well, 3 does not have a doubles fact. To get the number 3, we would need to add 2 plus 1. And 2 plus 1 is not a doubles fact because my addends are not the same. So 3 is not even, it is odd. Let's take a look at another number, 7. I'm going to see if 7 is even or not even. Well, to figure it out, I'm going to draw 7 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I'm going to pair them up. So, these 2 have a partner, these 2 have a partner, these 2 have a partner, but my last one does not have a partner. This one is the odd man out. So 7 is an odd number. I can also see, does 7 have a doubles fact? Well, 7 does not, because in order to get 7, I need to add 4 plus 3. My addends are not the same, so it is not a doubles fact. Let's take a look. What happens if we draw 7 and then add another row of 7? 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to add another row of 7. 3, 4. So now let's take a look at our new number. Here we have 7 things and then another 7 things. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Is 14 an even number? Well, it does have a doubles fact. We have 7 plus 7. My addends are the same, so it's a doubles fact. Let's see if they all have partners. So these are partners, these are partners, these, and these. Every circle has a partner. So 14 is actually even. So even if we have an odd number, if we double that odd number, then our answer will be even. So we're going to take a look at all the numbers from 1 to 20, and we're going to look for the even numbers. Remember, even numbers have partners. So let's start with 1. If I have one thing, it doesn't have a partner. So 1 is not even. Now we move on to 2. If I draw 2 things, 2 does have a partner. We have 1 plus 1. So 2 is even. Now let's look at 3. If we have 3 things, 3 has 1 pair, but there is an odd man out. So 3 is not even. Let's do 4. If I draw 4 things, I have 2 groups of 2, so everyone has a partner. 4 is even. Let's do 5. Partner them up. 5 is not even because there's 1 left out. Now move on to 6. Draw 6 things. Partner them up. 6 is even because everybody has a partner. Now we'll do 7. Partner them up. 7 is not even because 1 is left out. Now we'll do 8. Partner them up. 8 is even because they all have partners. Now we'll do 9. Partner them up. 9 is not even because 1 is left out. And then we'll do 10. Ten is even because they all have partners. We'll do a few more, and then you're going to finish the rest up on your own. So let's draw 11. Partner them up. 11 is not even. Now do 12. Partner them up. 12 is even because they all have a partner. 13. Partner them up. 13 is not even because there is 1 left out. And we'll do 14. Partner them up. 14 is even because they all have a partner. You are going to do 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 on your own. Let's take a look at the numbers we have done already. So if you look at the even numbers, my even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. If you notice, all my even numbers are the numbers that we can skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Continue doing the rest of the pattern and find the rest of the even numbers up to 20. When you're done with this, you're done with today's lesson.